of a salon feeling completely smooth, calm, and confident. No panic, no awkwardness, just a quiet sense of comfort that comes from taking care of yourself. In this video, I'm sharing exactly how I turned my first ever Brazilian wax into a luxury experience, one that felt relaxing instead of stressful. Let's be honest, everyone feels a little nervous before their first wax. It's something new, it's personal, and there are plenty of myths that make it sound intimidating. But the truth is, when you choose the right place and a professional esthetician, it can actually be soothing and empowering. The process starts with a short, friendly consultation. Your esthetician will ask about your skin type, any sensitivities, and what to expect. It's calm, respectful, and it instantly helps you relax. Everything is about hygiene and comfort. Fresh gloves, clean tools, perfectly warmed wax. You can feel the professionalism in every step. When the wax is applied, it feels warm, not hot. Then, with one quick, precise motion, it's removed. It's fast, controlled, and over before you know it. Communication is key. If something feels uncomfortable, say so. Professionals are there to make adjustments so you stay at ease. Once it's done, a soothing gel or lotion is applied to calm your skin. That moment right after, it's refreshing, and the result is incredibly smooth. Aftercare is simple but important. Exfoliate gently after about 48 hours, keep your skin moistured, and wear soft, breathable fabrics for a day or so. Over time, you'll notice that your hair grows back finer and softer. Each session feels easier than the last, and the results last much longer than shaving. But the real change goes deeper than smooth skin. You feel more confident, more comfortable in your own body, and more connected to self-care. A Brazilian wax isn't about perfection, it's about confidence. It's a small act of self-investment that reminds you that you deserve comfort and care. So if you've been nervous about trying it, make it a calm, luxury experience. Choose a professional, trust the process, and give yourself permission to enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you feel more confident about your first Brazilian wax, give this video a like and subscribe to MTH Health. Here, we share weekly self-care and wellness tips designed to help you look good, feel grounded, and live beautifully, inside and out. Because true confidence isn't about what you change. It's about how you care for yourself.